Hey guys, today we are going to be trying Indian food. I've been seeing this all over. We're pretty excited to do this today. Right now we are on an online menu looking for some food to get.
All right guys, so we see you when we get the food.
All right everybody, we are at home with all of the food. We got 2 dinner meals because there's a lot of stuff for us to try. But actually, before we get into this, we've had Indian food so many times before, and I'm actually surprised that a lot of you guys haven't had this yet. It's so delicious. But there are a few new items that we haven't tried here, like these vegetable pakoras. They look really nice and crispy, crunchy, flavorful, but I don't know, we'll see if we like them today. What else is new here? We have these green spinach looking dishes and also some porridge and Indian desserts. I'm excited for this. Hopefully you guys are too.
Oh guys, our fridge is glaring on there, but
yeah, just ignore it. I don't know, it's a lot. But yeah, let's get into this. Okay, I'm gonna try the pakora first.
Whatever this is, we haven't had this before. It's like veggies, fried veggies.
It's similar to the vegetable samosa, but not as crisp. It's like thicker and more floury. Not bad though, but I think I like the samosas more. Samosas.
It kind of tastes a little bit like, you know, Mediterranean food.
Mm-hmm.
How do you call
the
it?
Falafel?
Like falafel.
We have naan and what's the other one? The other kind of bread we got?
Parathi.
Parathi. Is that what it's called? I don't remember.
Not the one Lily Singh used to talk about?
Roti?
Roti.
How'd she get parathi? Well, okay, so I got some kind of soupy curry here.
Actually, this is mixed veggies. You remember we ordered that?
Ah.
It's just mixed veggies.
Is this butter chicken?
Maybe. It looks like that.
Wait, let me see what the meat is. Because once I have the meat, I'll know which one it is. Yep, this is chicken.
This is so good. You thought we didn't get any hotter than this.
I can handle spice.
We got medium hot and it's hot already.
This is either chicken tikka masala or butter chicken. Okay, next thing, I want to try everything here. I got another one. This might be the lamb.
This is really good. I don't know the name of it, but it's a veggie mix. What was the name?
Smells a little pumpkin-y. What the? Mixed veggies. I think it was just that. This one's thinner. What is this? Is this the lamb vindaloo? It looks like lamb. I think it's the lamb vindaloo. It kind of tastes like a crock pot soup. Oh, I gotta get into this samosa. Look, if you ever try Indian food, definitely get yourself a samosa.
This is good, but I'm glad that we went with the medium hot.
You and your medium hot. Yum. You gotta try everything. You're only trying a few things. I'm going everywhere.
I'm gonna try these greens.
Okay, this is what roti looks like, and this is what naan looks like. So they look a little bit different. Here is what they look like. This one is garlic naan, by the way. I've never tried roti before, but I've been wanting to try it.
To be honest, tell the difference. It looks like naan, but
it's not as fluffy. I don't know. It's good though. Very similar. We're gonna save the desserts for last probably, or for later. We haven't opened this up yet. This one has like beans in it. Has to be one of the vegetarian ones.
What is that?
Sometimes it's good.
Which one?
This one. But I think so far my favorite is this butter chicken. I don't know if it's tikka masala or butter chicken. I think this is the best one so far.
It is? I like the veggie.
The veggie one is okay.
It's really good. It's spicy, but it's good.
Yeah, why is that the spiciest out of everything? Everything's supposed to be medium. We got some rice. I believe this is basmati rice. Here's what it looks like. Ooh.
This is good. And guys, you know what's funny? My first job in America was working at McDonald's. And the McDonald's I worked at was right across the street from an Indian restaurant.
So you already know where she was going.
And guess what I did on my lunch break sometimes? Go to the Indian place and eat there. The food was so good.
Let's put a little lamb vindaloo in here with the rice.
I guess you're not eating the veggie food, so it's all mine.
Let me give it another try.
Try this with one of the soups.
I think I did already.
It's good.
But I'm gonna say it. My favorite Indian foods are naan, vegetable samosas, and I think lamb curry. Because that lamb curry we had last time we got Indian food, so bomb. That was so good. The pakora with this chicken
It's good?
thing here. Naan, roti, and whatever kind of bready things taste better with the sauces than rice does, I think.
Really? I think so too.
Better combos. So yeah, comment down below right now if you would ever try Indian food. You definitely should broaden your horizons because it's so good.
And try it, it's good. I think whenever I eat Indian food or Asian food, it reminds me of home.
How about Mediterranean?
That one too. Any type of ethnic food, basically. I'm very open-minded when it comes to food. It's very rare that I don't like something.
I actually feel like your least favorite is American food. I feel like it is. It doesn't hit the same.
It's okay. I just like the way these foods taste, like Mexican food, Chinese food,
I think it's because
Indian food.
our cultures use the same kind of seasonings and like methods sometimes. And now it's Indian food.
It's Indian food. That's cool.
You guys already know we had to hop on this trend because we're already eating Indian food, so we thought we'd share it with you guys. Do you want vegetable samosa? I don't want to finish it and then you don't have any. Because we only got one, guys. Do you have a favorite here? The veggie? Oh yeah, we have some tandoori chicken here. One piece.
I know, they only gave us one piece.
Let me try a little.
Yeah.
All of this?
This was my favorite. Anytime I went to the Indian food, I had to get this.
It's like a red oven roasted chicken. Pretty good.
It's good.
Or they put it in a tandoor oven kind of thing. If you guys know a lot about Indian food, comment down below some facts because I'm sure we're all willing to learn. I'm getting full, but at the same time, I know I could eat a lot more of this because it's so good.
If you're Indian and you're watching this, comment down below some suggestions of entrees we should try. I haven't tried those two yet.
Try it.
Is it spicy?
With a little rice? No.
It's soupy.
It is. Well, I said bean soup. I said bean soup. I think it has lentils in it, kidney beans.
I feel like I'm eating a lot. Let me see.
What you think?
It's okay.
Not that. Is it the texture or the flavor?
The flavor.
It's okay. Guys,
okay.
when you try new things, you don't have to like it, but it's good to be open-minded to just try it in the first place.
I think my favorite is this. And the tandoori chicken. I like this and this one too, the greens.
Okay, those green ones will be for you. This is definitely a house favorite here. Ooh, gotta digest. So comment down below if you want us to do a video of how to make Indian food at home in the easiest way possible because we tried it and it tastes really good and it's not hard to make actually.
Yep.
Comment down below if you want to see that. Maybe I should start eating more of the rice because I think this naan and roti is getting heavy.
Tandoori chicken, curry chicken, and stuff like that at home.
Tandoori chicken, when did you ever make that? You never made that.
I made that one time, but you didn't like it. You remember?
You did not make tandoori chicken.
I did.
I did?
I'm the one that cooked. Yes. Well, I didn't make it like that because I didn't have the right oven. I just put it in the regular oven.
I don't remember this.
And she didn't like it. She said, just a little bit. It's just a little bit different. But of course, it would taste a little bit different because I don't have the right oven for
Not
it.
the
At least I tried.
I don't remember that, but I guess if she says so.
I did. It was before we moved. Hey guys, so today we're going to try to make some Indian curry and we bought some naan. We have some curry.
Alright, welcome to Sadrina's little segment here. I'm going to actually be making some green chutney sauce. I believe that's what it's called. Yes, it's mint chutney actually. So in this bowl I have 1 cup of mint leaves.
If you're Indian and you're watching this, comment down below if we're doing it wrong.
In 3, 2, 1. That's not even chopping it. Wow, that's strong. Oh my gosh, I just got a whiff. Whoa. Oh my gosh, is that the mint?
If you're Indian and you're watching this, comment down below if we're doing it wrong.
Take him back. This is a lot. You need to come get a whiff of this. Smell it.
Now I'm going to add a little bit of curry here. I know we're all over the place just adding different things.
But it's because we're trying something new.
Usually we try to follow someone's recipe, but then we make it our own.
Yeah, somehow. And we know we want that curry powder. Why are you doing it so lightly?
I think that's good enough.
You do? More for me. It smells so good.
Oh,
nice
gosh,
flavor.
that's good.
It's got that turmeric, regular curry powder, everything. A little salt, and a mix. I wish you guys could smell it through the screen
so
right now.
good.
Ooh.
And
Well, dang.
the camera is also.
Yeah, I guess they did get a whiff. We are not done though. You know we love our carbs alongside of our Indian curry. So we got some garlic naan. This is actually really good. Super fluffy. You get 4 of them, so each of us will get 2. And all you gotta do is put it on a pan like this, sprinkle a little water on top, and bake it at 400 degrees for about 2 to 3 minutes. So it's actually really quick to make and delicious. Potato and pea samosas. I think I'm gonna put this in the air fryer and see how crispy it gets. Hopefully it's good. Hold on guys, I'm actually looking at the cooking directions and you can either put it in the microwave or in the oven. Actually, I think we're gonna put it in the oven, but look, it says microwave chutney pouch. Chutney pouch? So I made my own homemade chutney when they had one in here. All right, everyone, so we're done making our homemade Indian food. Let me give you guys a close-up. Here it is. So we have our vegetable curry here. I have a samosa and, of course, the garlic naan. There it is. I hope you guys think it looks as great as we do.
Does it taste like? Is it good?
This samosa tastes like we got it from the restaurant.
Let me try it.
Look at this. Go ahead and try. What do you think?
It's good.
And the chutney isn't really that strong right now. Or did I just not get enough?
It's really good.
I love it. We're definitely gonna get these samosas again. I think so.
Of course, we don't have a recipe. We just made up
Our own kind of thing.
our own kind of recipe.
And by the way, I know you guys want to buy it. There you go. Eat it up.
So guys, this is what we got for dessert. We got some kind of pudding here, like a porridge thingy.
I'm excited for this. It's called gulab jamun. Gulab jamun. Okay, let me see if I can show you guys a close-up of these. So they're like little dessert cake balls, I guess. I think they're filled with cheese, something. And it's like in some kind of liquid. I'm not fully sure what it is, but looks kind of good. So
this looks like rice porridge. Hey, look at it, look at it.
it's milky.
It looks like rice porridge. We need a spoon for this one.
Well, perfect, right here. We got some spoons. Okay, I'm scared. I don't know if I really like porridge things.
Can you guys see?
Probably not well.
That's how it looks like.
Ooh, I don't know if I'm gonna like it. I'm
I've
scared.
tried this before.
But let's see. Ready? 3,
Let's see.
2, 1.
It's just rice. It seems like it's rice.
If
If I'm
some
wrong,
kind
comment
of
down
spice
below.
in there.
Yeah, like ginger or something. Maybe cinnamon?
I don't know. It's good, but I think it's more of a texture thing for me. It's like liquidy milk, but with a few chunks. So I don't know about that, but it tastes good.
It seems like it's
Glad I
rice.
tried it.
I've tried it before.
Time for me to try the gulab jamun. Are you scared for this one?
You go ahead and try it.
Really? Okay, I got a gulab jamun ball.
That looks like cakes that we made. Is this sweet?
It is, but there's no cheese in this. What?
Why do you think there's cheese in there? Is that what the description said?
What?
I don't know.
They're like soaked in that sugary juice. It's good, but this also has some kind of spice. Is this cinnamon?
Maybe it's cinnamon, I think.
It's a little coconutty.
If you know what they use to add to this stuff, comment down below. Is it cinnamon or some kind
I
of
feel like it is cinnamon,
spice?
but actually it's good. You should try it. Try a little bit of it. Oh, you went all in. What?
It's just like some kind of cake. There's cinnamon, maybe a little bit ginger in it.
See, there's a spice to everything, but that's good that it has different notes. And also, I feel like every culture has some kind of cake balls. Like some kind of form of cake. I don't know.
Yeah, we make cakes like these too, but they're
bigger
than the,
and they're dry. They're not in some kind of sauce.
liquid.
That was rubbing our hands at the same time.
I know. I think we're done here.
Yep. All right, guys, we gotta close this out. That's a lie.
After the video.
We can't eat anyone. Oh my god. Let me stop. Anyway, all right, everyone, that is it for today's video. We hope you guys enjoyed watching us try new Indian foods here. Obviously, I'm gonna stick to my favorites. I love the samosa. This chicken curry or tikka masala, butter chicken, so good. I think one of my favorite new things that I've tried was the roti, because it's very similar to the naan, but it's still really good.
I don't know the difference between the roti and the naan. To me, it looks the same. But the roti is a little bit smaller.
Yeah, like flatter. But yeah, super good. If you guys enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Give it a like, comment, subscribe, share this video, hit the notification bell, and we will see you guys in our next video.
And make sure to comment video ideas.
We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.
Sweet thing.